Hey guys, today we're going to make a monster fidget toy. So it can flip into any form. So it can go into these crazy forms. But no matter what, it'll go back into its original form. That one or that one. So, first things first. You're going to want one long strip of paper. So it's a rectangle, all that. Okay, so first things first, you're going to fold it in half. Hot dog way. Then you're going to unfold it, fold it in half. Hamburger way. So once you're done with that, you're going to take this part and fold it to the middle to do that. Now you're going to do the same thing with the other side. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. So first thing you do with those 8 squares, you're going to fold all the corners down. Flip it over. All the corners. Now, to get this part to pop out, you're going to have to fold it. You're going to flip it over, fold it backwards. And then unfold it, flip it over again. So now you can take this part, middle part, and fold it down to the middle. Or you can bring this side, fold it down, and then make a crease across the entire way. Do the same thing with the other side, make a crease the entire way. Now you're gonna push it in. It should make that. Now, right now it doesn't look much of a monster. It doesn't really fold like crazy. Because what you have to do is make it smaller. You're gonna have to fold one flap back, fold the other flap back. Now you have your monster flipper. Monster fidget toy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a subscription, comment below, and a like. Thanks for watching. Bye.